Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very fun one. I'm excited because I love purging, I love decluttering, and I love organizing. So what I did is last night I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up some items for some areas in my home that need some attention. I'm sure you can think of those areas in your house that you've been wanting to go through and get rid of some stuff and reorganize a few things. So I hope this video gives you some inspiration to organize those areas. But I also want to mention that the Dollar Tree has really nice organizing bins for only $1. I'll show you all that I filmed right here and show you what their selection is. It's just beyond amazing. I was floored. So I hope this video gives you some inspiration of items you can buy at the Dollar Tree to use in your drawers or your closets or kitchen. So if you are interested in seeing how I did all this, just keep watching. But if you're new, I would love it if you would hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss videos like these, because I will be doing a lot more videos that pertain to organizing, because that's just what I love to do. I hope you're with me. So thanks for watching this video and give it a thumbs up. Leave comments below so that I can kind of hear from you of what you're tackling this week or this month. I just want to, have that feedback. Also, don't forget to go over to my Instagram and follow me over there, because I do post, more personal photos and videos of my family and things that I'm doing. And you also get some behind the scenes footage of what I'll be conquering that week. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your goal this week in organizing is. Thanks for watching.
We should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask.
So here you see what I'm using for my scarves. This was an organizer that I think I got from Bed Bath & Beyond like 10 years ago. It's a wonderful organizer, but I found these at the Dollar Tree and they have bigger holes for larger or thicker scarves. So I'm going to put my winter heavy scarves in these. That way I can actually put them back easier.
I love you. Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold
When I saw this container, I knew exactly where I wanted to use it. It was going to be used for my Q-tips, but there was enough room for me to put the cotton rounds that I had already inside. As you saw, my Q-tips were stored in just a recyclable container that just, looked very unsightly. So this looks a lot better. Plus I can see through it and see kind of how much I have. So this is a really, really awesome container to have around your house.
Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche.
Don't mind the cabinets and don't mind the countertops or cabinets, because we are going to update this bathroom in the near future. So just kind of ignore that. But here's the drawer at its current state, and I warn you, it is very dirty. I have to clean a lot of things out. So you just saw me do this. So this was where my Q-tips were. So I actually made a home for Q-tips and cotton rounds. But a lot of this stuff is my makeup and teeth products and, just little tools here and there. But it's kind of gotten a little messy, and as you can tell, I've got to clean. So enjoy watching a speed run of this drawer.
I keep them within, holding on to a feeling so strong.
Guys, I am all finished. I basically laid it out, as you could tell. Turn the light down a little bit. I basically laid out where I wanted each divider to be first. Then, of course, I loaded everything up. I cleaned off my makeup. I use Bareminerals a lot, as you can tell. There we go. So I use Bareminerals a lot, and so what I have is my tweezers, eyelash curler in here, my hair pins and hair barrettes and things. The what are these called? I forgot what these called. But anyway, rubber bands here for when I do like throw my hair up in different ways. You saw me do that with this container, which was really neat. All of these were, of course, Dollar Tree organizers. All of my Bareminerals makeup here, some of my makeup, my blushes, and my eye pencil sharpeners. These are my nail clippers and nail tools that I use. This is just an extra sample toothpaste. Don't get these mixed up. This is the acne gel sometimes that I use. Back there are all the floss samples, so I kind of have a lot of those, but it's always good to have those. And then back here are my brushes. So I just have like combs and brushes back there that I use often. And then over here is my hot tools that I use. I only have a curling iron and a flat iron. So that's the end of it. I mean, that looks great. And I didn't use these organizers either, so I'm sure I can find a use for these. So there you have it, the finished product. I'm very happy with it. So my goal right now is to organize these utensils right here. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them all, but we'll see. I just don't like, you know, over time it kind of gets cluttered and items just kind of don't make sense here anymore. This actually shouldn't be here. So anyway, that needs to go back in its spot. But anyway, I'm going to try to declutter and probably get rid of this basket here and use something else for this. So yeah, but everything else is, you know, pretty organized. Not too bad. It's just this side of this drawer that I'm going to use items that I got at the Dollar Tree to organize it.
Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful. Just the way we are, we're beautiful.
So I'm all finished. It took very little time to do that. These though are very useful. I think I'm gonna get one more for the straws. I think it'll fit back there, I'm not sure. But for the straws, and I think I'll get another one to replace this one so that there's a more uniform look. But yeah, I love how that turned out. It's very simple. I don't know why it took so long to do this. So there's that finished drawer already. So I spent $4 to organize the rest of that drawer. Pretty proud of it. So here's what I have left to use, and I think I'm going to use these in the drawer that I organized during my last decluttering video. And you'll see me deep clean this drawer using just the containers and things that I already had in here. So I think I'm going to switch out these two battery holders and might use these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or one of these. We'll see. So let's get to this one too. So here's the finished product. A lot better, a lot more uniformed. Check out your local Dollar Tree, buy those containers. They will make your life a lot better by organizing some of the stuff in your house. I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.